Hello, so today I'm going to show you basically how to install the SO Monitor app for Sheets. Um, as you see, I've already searched the app and I'm just going to click install, continue. Basically, you will see this will be the account ID. As you see, it's already is actually showing. Then this is the sign in with Google. And basically, I'm just going to select my account and see this is a testing account, as I'm sure you know about it. um, Continue on that. Then basically, as you see, these are the permissions that we need the user to allow or to accept. And see, edit, create and delete all your sheets, spreadsheets, and then allow the application to run when you're not present. So basically, the first one, this one, we need it basically to be able to edit or to refresh the data that the user have already inserted. I will demonstrate that later in this video. And then basically, when the user create a report, we save the information for later use. Basically, the user will schedule like the updates, how often they want their reports to be refreshed or to be updated. And when they said that, we need specifically the edit permission to be able to open the spreadsheet and update the data that we get from our API. And to do that, we also need to allow this to happen in the background when the user is not there. So basically, this will be done using a trigger or time-driven triggers, whereby the user will schedule, okay, on this report I want to run it daily. On this report I want to run it weekly. Then the schedule will run and check if the report needs to run. If it has to run, then it runs for that user. So yeah, that's basically, these are the permissions, and I'm just going to allow and continue. And now the app is installed. Now I'm going to show you how basically we use it. I'm just going to start by authorizing and setting the API token. I'm sure it was already there and saved. Just going to close this. And now I'm going to continue creating a new report. So basically, as you see, I only have one company, and I'm going to select my campaign. I'm just going to say group performance as a name. Objective, not really, I'm just going to go on group performance. Select the period, which is 7 days. I'm just going to want the data for the last 7 days. And then basically, this scheduled updates is the one that will allow us to update the reports or update the sheets. So when this is turned on, basically we will update the user reports. But if it's not turned on, we don't do anything. So basically, when this is turned on, the user has to select the frequencies, either daily, weekly, or monthly. I'm just going to select daily. But also, if the user select weekly, they have to select a date or a day of the week they need the report to run, like for example Monday. But for me, I'm just going to select daily to make it simple, then create. So now what is happening is we are fetching the data from our API, from SO Monitor API or from our database, and then basically create the report for the user. So once this is set, then we will be able to update this data on a daily basis so that the user can come and check, okay, these are my group